Struggling to concentrate during class? I had the same problem in school and ended up fidgeting with my pen. But today I'm going to show you some awesome ways to sneak stress relievers into class. Hey guys, it's Wengie and stress relieving hugs! So today I'm going to be doing some DIY stress relievers. This video was partnered with Foam Alive, which is another great stress reliever. I'll be showing you guys what this is shortly. It is super fun. And let's get on with the video. Let's go! So I've made my own custom squishies before, and now's the perfect time to put those skills to use. So today we're gonna make a life-size Elmer's glue bottle using this memory foam pillow. Just trace out your Elmer's glue and start cutting. You'll need to put your sculpting skills to use because this is basically like making a 3D sculpture. Take your time and remember that lots of small cuts are the key to getting this right. Next, I actually decided to remove the sticker of the Elmer's glue and stick that onto my squishy directly. Honestly, I think it just looks more realistic this way, and in order for the sticker to not get ruined, you're gonna have to cover it with some clear tape. This way, when you squeeze it, it won't move and you won't damage the sticker. Finally, all you need to do is to paint the lid orange and you're done. Now you can sneak a squishy stress reliever into class disguised as your Elmer's glue. Speaking of stress relievers, you should definitely check out Foam Alive. It's pretty much one of the most sensory toys you'll ever play with. Let me just say, this stuff looks and feels amazing. You can mold it into whatever shape you want, you can squeeze it and watch it crumble and grow. Or you can use the included accessories to make some cute ice creams as well. Foam Alive is the only compound that looks like it's melting and coming alive at the same time. As soon as you play with it, you'll know what I mean. It has a super fluffy and soft texture, and the best thing is that it creates no mess because it only sticks to itself. So that'll keep your parents happy. Also, I found out that if you roll it firmly enough into a ball, you can even bounce it. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've left a link in the description box below. I'm sure you'll be as satisfied as me. For this glitter phone case, you'll need a small plastic zip-up bag and a plain phone case, some cute charms, clear Elmer's glue, and some glitter foam paper. I had to use these unicorn charms, of course, because they're so cute. All you need to do is pop your unicorn charms inside the bag and then add in some clear glue. It's basically turning it into some kind of sensory squishy case. I added in some glitter, because why not? Next, I cut out a rectangular piece of glitter foam to cover the edges of my Ziploc bag. Finally, just stick the little squishy pouch onto your phone case, and then the glitter foam over the edges. It's a nice little custom phone case that you can squish during class and hopefully make your stress disappear. Lava lamps are one of the more satisfying toys I've owned, and today we're going to make a mini lava lamp that you can sneak into class. First up, you'll need a small bottle with a jump ring included, some baby oil, water, and some food coloring. You'll also need a necklace chain. Pour out some baby oil and use a small syringe to transfer some into your small bottle. Next, mix some food coloring with some water and put a few drops to fill up the rest of your bottle. You don't need much. Finally, put some hot glue on your lid and close it up. Now use another jump ring to attach the bottle to your necklace, and that's it. Just give it a shake and watch your little lava bubbles floating around. It's pretty satisfying, and the best thing is you can wear it around your neck as a necklace, so no one can really stop you from bringing it into class. Now this isn't a DIY, but it's super cool, so I had to show you guys. It's basically called a magnetip pen, and this is a pen that's made with rare earth magnets. Basically, it's a pen that's designed for fidgeting. You can do many different things with this pen and never get tired of it. And obviously, it can also write like a regular pen, so you'll be able to take it to class with you. Just remember these magnets can be quite powerful, so be careful when handling them and get parental supervision. Alright guys, let me know which one your favorite stress reliever is down below, and I'll see you guys next time for a new video. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you know when that is. Also, don't forget to check out Firm Alive. It is a super stress relieving toy and super fun. I have linked it in the description box down below. Bye guys, love you! Mwah.